In this video, we are going to see how to create this layout with Elementor. Not just the layout, with the responsive as well. Let me show you what the responsive we are going to achieve. So this is for tablet. Let me uh, add the size. Let me remove the size. And this is for mobile. You can see these two images at the top, and then the content for the tablet. It is similar to the desktop, and for the desktop, this is the layout we are talking about, and this is the next video we'll be doing it, but let's focus on this one first. Cool. Now let's create a new column, new row I meant. Click on the row. So this is it. Let me add a margin to it so that we can get space between the two sections. 150 would be ideal. Now I want to place an inner section. Just drag and drop it, and I just need only one inner section. I think I did not have just drop it. There's a problem, I think. Right click and delete. Cool. Now we can drop the inner section on the row. You can see this is two section. We just need only one section, so let me delete this and select this inner row. And for the column, let's make this 60%, and to place it at the center, grab the bigger column, and you will find the vertical align middle. So not on the vertical align, but it's horizontal align center. It does not seem to work, so there is some problem between the. Let me start again. Delete this. Row, margin, select this one, margin 150, and let's add the padding. Length is top of 150, bottom of 150. So this is it. Now we can place the inner section as we discussed. It's taking some time, and cool, we got it. Now let me delete this column. So we have a single column where the navigators come. I don't need this navigator. Delete this. Right click, delete, single column, select the single column, and let's select the whole, and let's give the width of 50%, and select the column, vertical horizontal align center. Now we got it. Now we need to place these content over here. Let me pause this and do it. So I have made this at the center, but the thing is I want to have this. Select this 150 top and bottom. What is causing? I have to give 150 top and bottom to this, not on all sides. Right and left. So here you will be placing the image. Let me remove margin from this section. Cool. Now this one has it, and let's give this a color, a background color. Let me say as green. We can have any green. I'll bring this to you. Now let me place the content. You have to copy this. I'm pausing this and pasting it. Cool, I have pasted it. Select this column and widget. We need to widget size to 0. Widget space to 0. Now, if you wish, you can have padding to this. Unlink this. Top and bottom. Top, bottom, left, right. Cool. Let's add margin to this on all sides. 3, 5, 15. Cool. Now click on the border. We can have border type solid, color something like greenish, and the width of, let's say, 5, 10. I think we need to give it to this guy. Border, make this solid. Cool, that seems to work. Okay, let me change the color. Cool. Now it's time to place the image using the pseudo element as we did earlier. Click on this column, click on pseudo, enable the pseudo. So before and after, this is going to be before. Select this. To make before that, let me make this position center, repeat, repeat, and size cover, and to see you have to click on this position and size. Width is 50%. We can make this 60%. I think 50 was good. And we can have the height of 60 or anything, and we can have the position offset top somewhat to this. Now you can adjust it according to your will. You can increase the height as well, 60 to 80. Now the same way you have to click on after, select the image, follow the same procedure, center, no repeat, cover, and then position and size. Make the z index -1. Where is the z index? Z index, it's here, -1, so it's gone below. Now click on position. We have given width 60% or 50, and height as 60, and offset we need this to be at the bottom, and the left somewhat like this, and we need to increase the height, I believe 70, 80. Cool, that works for desktop. Now let's get into the tablet version. tablet, I don't think we have to do much because everything is set. Click on this responsive mode, tablet. If you want, you can add padding to it. I'm leaving this to you. And for desktop, so it doesn't look great. First of all, we have to make this width 100%. Get on layout, or the inner section on the layout. Let this be unit 100%. So this one you got it. Now we need margin of 400 pixel. Unlink it. We need to fit two images, that's the reason 400. So select this, get into the pseudo tab, so we have added before and after. So select the before one first, get into the position. We have to give width of 100% and offset left to 0, height as not 100 pixel but 100%, height as 200 pixel. I think the width is not working, we have to give width properly. Select this guy, let me see what width we have given. The problem here is it is just taking the width 50%. We need to check. Yeah, it worked. I think we have not properly given width 100%. We can do offset minus 200. Minus 400. And this place is for the after position and size, width 100%. I think it does not. Remove this. Here it is. Click on this percentage. 100%. Height 200 pixel. Offset top 200 minus. Now it seems to work. Offset left 0. Now again the same problem. I think it's with the plugin that we are using. If I get out and come in, the error will go away. So width 100% doesn't seem to work. Let me increase the width. I think it's the offset left is playing with us now. Yeah, that worked. Cool. If you want, you can have margin. Select this guy and have the margin of minus negative value so that it looks like it is getting overlapped. unlink this, -50. Alright, so this is for desktop. Save this. So this is for mobile, and let me show you the tablet view which we have created it just a minute ago, just some time ago. Now let's click on desktop. So alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for listening.